Okay guys, these are the products that I use every day. The cleanser that I use is by NEUTROGENA, and it's this one, the Deep Clean Cream Cleanser. And after I cleanse my face with that, I'll go ahead and moisturize my face, and I use the Hydrating Gel Moisturizer by Undo Your Skin. And then after I let that product soak in for a little while, because it hydrates your face very well, I then go in with the Jergens. And I only do this step because it is colder, so my skin is dry, and I just like to take this extra step to make sure that my skin doesn't look flaky throughout the day. Okay, and today I'm gonna also be doing a mask, and I do not do the mask every day, but I do a mask, I'm gonna say, I guess once a week. And since I'm off today, I'm gonna go ahead, and I have the time, I'm gonna go ahead and do a mask. This is my first time using, no it's not, I'm lying y'all, I have a whole video on this. But oh no, it is my first time using the new formula of the JASMAK. That's what it is. I knew it was something, so I'm not lying. So this is the mask I'm going to be trying today, and all of the products will be listed below so you can see where to purchase them. But yeah, I'm excited to try the new formula. I knew it was something. I have tried that before. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video. Okay guys, this is what my skin is looking like before my routine. I have a few breakouts in this area, and I also have a few small bumps here on my chin area. We are going to first start off with the mask, and I'm just applying it to my skin. As I mentioned before in the beginning of this video, this is the JASMAK by Undo Your Skin. The benefits from using this mask is that it deep cleans your skin, brightens your complexion, unclogs pores, reduces inflammation, and lightens dark spots. Undo Your Skin lists bentonite clay as an ingredient, which is a detoxifier that removes unwanted dead and dying cells from the top layer of your skin. It also has aloe vera and tea tree oil in it as well, which are both anti-inflammatories. Guys, I'm just going to let that mask sit for 10 minutes. I'm just relaxing, listening to music. You can spend your 10 minutes however you wish. And after the 10 minutes is up, wash your face. Now guys, I'm just going to do the skin routine that I do every day and night. I also purchased this 5-in-1 action pack spin brush from the Undo Your Skin website as well. And guys, this spin brush is amazing. It actually removes the dirt from your face. Now, I don't have any dirt on my face in this moment because I just used that mask prior. But normally, I can see the dirt on the bristles of the brush when I'm done. It also helps remove any makeup that you may have missed with your makeup remover wipe. It comes with 5 detachable heads, which also makes cleaning super easy. Now that my face is nice and clean, I'm just patting it dry with a towel. Normally I let my face air dry. Y'all know I don't like to use towels on my face. Next, I'm picking up the Hydrating Gel Moisturizer by Undo Your Skin, and this is my favorite moisturizer right now. I've been using it every day since I got it. It just makes my face feel so good. I have definitely noticed fewer breakouts since I've been using this moisturizer, and my skin also has a more youthful glow to it. This is the last step to my skincare routine. I'm just adding that Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion as an extra step because we are in the colder months here and my skin type is dry, so any extra moisture is always a plus for me. And guys, that is it. This is my acne fighting skincare routine. I guarantee you, if you do this routine, you will definitely notice a difference in your skin. Don't forget to check the description box for the product links. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and hit that red button. Until next time, bye.